Hi. So, once again, I'm Chico Michael Hudson. I'm going to be doing a little bit of Xingyi today. Sorry that you can't see my feet, but this is really the best angle that I can get, given that I'm using my cell phone. So, here, we're going to be doing a little bit of the monkey and some of the snake. Just to give a little brief taste of how the Xingyi that I do works. There's one monkey form, but I've actually modified it and put two, and there's two snakes. So, without further ado, here we go. Monkey first. Okay, so that's the monkey. Now, oh, by the way, I took both the forms and I linked them together in sort of a Lian Huan. And here's the snakes. Also, it's going to be in Lian Huan style, too. Okay, thank you.